Imagine an individual entering a space with assured body posture. You might not recognize this person, yet without uttering a sound, they command admiration from everyone around. But what's the reason behind it? Gaining respect is among the most significant things you can achieve in your lifetime. It is not freely given. Instead, it is something you earn, nurture, and uphold through repeated actions and behaviors. Many individuals yearn for respect, but find it challenging to attain in a way that feels genuine and enduring. How about I share 6 highly effective body language strategies that can help you earn respect from anyone? Pay particular attention to the last one, as it can truly change the game. Personal space acts like a shield of respect and self-assurance. Encroach too much, and you may intrude on someone's personal area, making them feel uncomfortable. Stand too far away, and you create a sense of separation. Finding the perfect distance allows you to instantly earn respect. Picture yourself in a one-on-one business discussion. Rather than leaning in toward their space, maintain a comfortable distance of about 3 feet, allowing both parties to engage without feeling cramped. This small awareness of space indicates that you are self-assured, considerate, and completely in control. Become an expert observer. If someone leans back slightly, take that hint and modify your placement. It's not about acting submissively, but rather demonstrating emotional intelligence. Acknowledging their boundaries fosters trust and enhances your presence. A handshake signifies more than just a greeting. It is your initial move in the respect game. A weak handshake signals insecurity, while an overly strong grip appears hostile. A steady handshake is a display of power. When meeting with a CEO or a potential partner, reach out your hand purposefully, grip it firmly without excessive strength, and maintain eye contact for a brief yet compelling moment. Finish it off with a confident smile, and you have already secured a significant advantage. Seek feedback from trusted individuals. Keep practicing until your handshake conveys that you are strong, calm, and reliable. That singular gesture can define how others view you. This is a gesture that communicates, "I am present and I am listening." A slight head tilt shows engagement without making you look submissive. It's a subtle yet impactful move. Let's say you are in a team meeting and one of your coworkers presents an idea. You lean forward a bit, tilt your head, and nod slowly as they talk. That simple motion indicates that you value what they have to say, and people tend to respect those who make them feel acknowledged. Avoid overstating it. Moderation is key. Pair the head tilt with a neutral position now and then to uphold authority while still being approachable. Your feet form your base, and if they seem restless or uncertain, the message you convey will reflect that. Stand firmly, and you appear unyielding during a crucial presentation. Instead of pacing nervously, present yourself tall with your feet positioned shoulder-width apart. This posture radiates stability and authority. Every action from this grounded stance reinforces your control of the environment. If anxiety begins to set in, focus it through your feet by pressing them firmly against the ground to anchor yourself. This technique not only soothes your nerves but also enhances your commanding presence. There's strength in controlling your pace. Hurried movements can give off a sense of urgency. Slow, deliberate actions radiate confidence and compel people to stop and pay attention. Imagine entering a bustling networking gathering. Rather than rushing to a corner, you walk in purposefully. You take intentional steps, greet individuals with a firm handshake, and occupy your space with ease. Each move signals that you are confident in your place there. Control comes from practice. Engaging in activities like Tai Chi or yoga can help you learn to move slowly and purposefully. Every gesture, every step, should feel like a conscious expression of your confidence. Words hold significance, but silence conveys authority. Taking thoughtful pauses in conversations or during speeches is one of the most underappreciated power moves. It demonstrates that you are reflective, unhurried, and completely in command. In the midst of a lively boardroom discussion where everyone is talking over each other, take a deep breath, maintain steady eye contact, and pause before you respond. The atmosphere may quiet when you finally share your thoughts. Each word carries weight. Perfecting this approach during presentations or negotiations, especially when making a crucial point, allows you to create a pause before and after, compelling people to hang on to your words and emphasizing their importance. Respect isn't something you can simply expect, it's something you build, and your body language serves as the foundation for that respect. Master these subtle yet impactful gestures, and you will not only earn the respect of others, but also establish yourself as someone deserving of attention. Respect cannot be commanded or rushed. It is cultivated through continuous effort, sincerity, and self-discipline. The way you conduct your life influences how others perceive and respond to you. Therefore, focus on honing your skills, adhering firmly to your values, and showing respect to yourself and others. When you do this, you will discover that respect is not something you need to pursue. Rather, it naturally draws closer to you. If you are eager to become part of the 1% community and live a life filled with respect, remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Together, we will continue to strive for excellence. See you soon.